What if I told you there's a blockchain gaming ecosystem that is offering over 117% staking rewards, introducing AI-powered agents, automatically distributing rewards to users, and generating millions of content views every single week? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, that's exactly what's happening right now inside the Cross ecosystem. Over the last few weeks, Cross has been making some huge moves. Mainnet 2.0, also known as Breakpoint, is now officially live. Staking participation is rapidly increasing. Creators are flooding into the ecosystem, and new technologies are laying the foundation for what could become one of the most ambitious blockchain gaming networks we've seen so far. But what exactly is changing? Why are more people starting to pay attention? And could this be the beginning of something much bigger? In today's video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about CrossMainet 2.0, from staking rewards and token burning to AI agents and the explosive growth of CrossWave. So make sure you stay until the end, because there's a lot to unpack. Let's dive in. Section 1. Cross-staking is attracting massive attention. One of the biggest features introduced with Mainnet 2.0 is the new staking system. For its first year, Cross has allocated an enormous reward pool of 300 million Cross tokens specifically for validators and delegated staking participants. At launch, the staking APR was around 145%, which immediately attracted a lot of attention across the crypto community. But as more users joined and more tokens entered the staking pool, the APR naturally adjusted, and even after this adjustment, the staking rewards are still sitting above an impressive 17% APR. That's still incredibly attractive compared to many other staking platforms. But here's the important part. Cross isn't using a fixed reward system. Instead, the staking rewards are based on network participation. The more people stake, the more the rewards are shared among participants, causing the APR to gradually decrease over time. This creates a more sustainable ecosystem and encourages long-term growth rather than short-term speculation. Section 2. Over 254 million tokens are already staked according to the latest dashboard statistics. More than 254 million Cross tokens have already been staked. Thousands of users are participating in the network, showing strong confidence in the future of the ecosystem. The blockchain itself is secured by 21 active validators operating under a Proof of Stake Authority or POSA consensus model. These validators are responsible for producing blocks, maintaining network consensus, securing the blockchain, supporting the overall ecosystem. At the time of recording, the network is generating approximately 951 Cross tokens per block. And the staking process itself is extremely simple. Users stake their tokens and immediately begin earning rewards. The rewards accumulate separately from the principal balance and can be claimed whenever users choose. But there is another option that many long-term holders are finding even more exciting. Section 3. The new Auto Compound feature. Cross recently introduced an incredibly useful feature called Auto Compound. Instead of manually claiming rewards and restaking them every few days, users can now automate the entire process. The system allows users to set their own compounding threshold. Once rewards reach that amount, they are automatically restaked back into the principal balance. Why is this important? Because compounding allows rewards to start generating additional rewards. In simple terms, your earnings can begin earning even more earnings. This can potentially increase long-term returns significantly. The feature only requires a tiny execution fee, making it both affordable and convenient. Instead of constantly monitoring your rewards, the network handles everything in the background. For long-term participants, this could become one of the most valuable features of the entire staking ecosystem. Section 4. Cross points rewards have been distributed. Another major event recently captured the community's attention. The team officially confirmed that Cross points rewards were distributed to eligible users based on the snapshot. And here's what makes this process so interesting. There is no claim button, no forms, no additional steps, no complicated process. The rewards are automatically sent directly to users' wallets. This creates a smooth and user-friendly experience. However, there's one important warning. Because the rewards are distributed automatically, users should be extremely careful of fake websites and scam messages claiming that rewards need to be manually claimed. If anyone asks you to connect your wallet or provide personal information to receive your rewards, that's a major red flag. Always verify information through official channels. Section 5. Mainnet 2.0 introduces token burning. Breakpoint isn't just about staking, it also introduces major improvements to the network's long-term economics. One of the biggest changes is the introduction of a deflationary mechanism. Every base transaction fee generated on the blockchain is permanently burned. In simple terms, every time the network is used, a portion of the tokens is removed from circulation forever. As adoption increases and more transactions occur, more tokens are burned. This mechanism is designed to create a healthier, long-term economy and potentially increase scarcity over time. Combined with staking and network growth, this could play a major role in the future value of the ecosystem. Section 6 AI agents are coming to the cross ecosystem. Perhaps the most ambitious aspect of Breakpoint is its focus on on-chain AI agents. The network now supports a new standard that allows AI agents to register on the blockchain, interact with users, perform transactions, participate in virtual economies. Cross has also integrated the X42 Payment Protocol, enabling AI agents to perform economic activities without relying on third-party payment systems. Think about what this means for gaming. Imagine NPC characters that can actually make decisions. Imagine AI-powered companions that can interact with players independently. Imagine virtual worlds that evolve and change based on AI activity. This is the future that Cross is trying to build, and if successful, it could completely redefine how blockchain gaming works. Section 7 CrossWave is growing rapidly. The growth of the Cross ecosystem isn't limited to infrastructure. Its content platform CrossWave is also experiencing incredible momentum. Over the past week alone, video views surged past 3.3 million weekly views, marking a massive increase. Content uploads continue to rise. The number of active creators and streamers is also increasing rapidly. Overall, CrossWave has generated millions of views and attracted thousands of content creators. This is extremely important because every successful gaming ecosystem needs a strong community, and content creators are often the driving force behind community growth. The more creators join the platform, the more visibility the ecosystem gains. This creates a powerful cycle of adoption and expansion. Conclusion: when you combine over 254 million staking rewards above 117% APR, automatic reward compounding, cross points distribution, deflationary token burning, AI-powered blockchain infrastructure, explosive creator growth on CrossWave, it's clear that Mainnet 2.0 represents one of the biggest milestones in the history of the cross ecosystem. The big question now is, can Breakpoint attract the next wave of gamers, developers, creators, and AI-powered applications? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain. Cross is no longer building just another blockchain. It's creating an ecosystem that combines gaming, staking, content creation, creator rewards, and artificial intelligence into one unified network. And if current growth trends continue, Breakpoint could become a defining moment for the future of the entire cross ecosystem. So what do you think about Cross Mainnet 2.0 and the future of the Cross ecosystem? Do you believe this project has the potential to become one of the biggest names in blockchain gaming? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future updates. Thanks for watching, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.